Oops, wrong door. Good morning, Santiago. Camino de Santiago. I'm in a town called Hornillos del Camino in the Burgos province. Is it province? Look who's back. Check it out. We're going to travel into Lyon together. Made a new plan last night. Booked a room in Lyon, which is 157 kilometers. We have exactly 1 week to do it. Should be, oh, sorry, 8 days to do it. And so plenty of time. So it's going to be a nice, easy week. However, we will have to contend with some weather this week. It'll possibly be snowing in 3 days. That's the rumor. So I look forward to that challenge. See how that goes. It'll be no different than the PCT. This is good training for the PCT in my books. Right now it's kind of sunny, windy, cold, but I look forward to the day. Yesterday I had a wind warning when I tried to put up the drone. He didn't like it at all. So I'm hoping the wind will die down a bit so I can get him up and get some views. Okay, I'm in a little town called Honteras, and we've got about 8 kilometers. It's around noon, so probably going to pull in around 2 o'clock and just keep pace for getting into Lyon. And it's been a wonderful day. Sorry I haven't been filming so much. Quite honestly, it's just very flat land with not a whole lot to look at. So, but I will endeavor to try and get some views. Let's go get it. What is this place? Out here in the middle of nowhere. This is wild. Okay, I get it. Ruins of a convent de San Anton, siglo XIV. I am a world traveler.
Years ago, there were fires, wildfires. Did it come around this area? You know?
Yeah, it's a fire area.
Here's the room. How cool is this? Okay, that was cool. That was worth the cost of admission. Sorry about my voice too. I still have this chest cold or something. I don't know what it is. It's all fine. I just work through it like I always do. I mean, this thing is huge. Look at this. This is the convent section, I guess. And apparently this thing's like 800 years old. Well, the ruins are obviously 800 because they're barely standing, but this is cool. I don't understand. Why is there a pirate symbol? Skull and crossbones. I don't get it. It's not a church. The nicest room I've ever been in. So beautiful. Unbelievable.